So, good evening, everyone. So, my name is Claire Alveo. So, today my topic is all about Aladdin from 1001 Night. So, familiar naman ito sa story ni Aladdin, diba? Is nakakuha naman sa tanay nga salida sa Disney, which is kato siya nga salida is naka-base ani nga true story. Kung tag from 1001 Night is usa ni siya ka collection sa mga folk tales. No, so Aladdin is a well-known Middle Eastern folktale featured in collection of stories often referred to as the Arabian Nights or 1001 Nights. So, however, this story and others like Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves and the Voyage of Sinbad were not part of the original Arabic or Persian manuscript, but were added to the collection by the French translator nga si Antonio Galland. So, in the 18th century, so based on tales told to him by Syrian storyteller. So, nadunggan na po din ni Antonio Galland ang kanyang mga stories. Dito na po din niya gikuha. So, while the stories are from the Middle East and India, specific tale of Aladdin is European addition to the collection. So, kani si Antoine Galland's role niya is in 1704. So, si Antoine Galland first introduced the tales of Aladdin, Ali Baba, and Sinbad to Europe through his French translation of the Nights. So, kani si Anton, usan siya ka French translator nga maoy nagsuwat aning kang Aladdin nga story ug other folktale stories from gikan sa Middle Eastern. So, ang summary sa story ni Aladdin is mani ang summary. So, si Aladdin is a poor, lazy boy living in a city in China. Kani si Aladdin yung kauban ani is only his mom, yung mother na lang, silang duha siyang mama. So, he is recruited by a sorcerer who pretends to be his uncle. So, one day, nani adto sa ilaha og nagpaila-ila daw nga uncle niya. Og kanang nikuyog siya ato nga tawhana to retrieve a magical lamp from a cave. So niadto sila sa desert nga ni, so yang gisugo dito si Aladdin nga moadto sa cave. So the sorcerer's true intention is to use Aladdin to get the lamp for himself. So dili gid dito siya tinuod nga angkol ni Aladdin. So bali gigamit ra niya si Aladdin for his own intention. So Aladdin finds the lamp but he refuses to hand it over until he is out of the cave. So the sorcerer seals him inside. Trapped, Aladdin accidentally rubs the lamp and summons a genie who helps him escape. So back home, Aladdin's mother cleans the lamp and another more powerful genie appears. So ready to grant wishes. So dito na gitupad na ni genie ang iyang mga gusto. So Aladdin uses the genie's power to become wealthy and powerful. So dito na siya, nadato na siya, naingon na siya murag prinsipe, kay powerful naman kay siya. Then he marries Princess Badr, the Sultan's daughter sa ilang city, and builds a magnificent palace. So ang sorcerer pud kani nga balitaan na hibaw-an po ni sa sorcerer. So the sorcerer eventually learns of Aladdin's good fortune niya and returns to steal the lamp. So he tricks the princess into giving it to him. So the sorcerer uses the genie to transport Aladdin's palace to Africa. So Aladdin discovers the thief and follow the sorcerer. So he defeats the sorcerer, recovers the lamp, and returns the palace and the princess to China. Aladdin succeeds the Sultan and rules wisely for many years. So dito na yan ang napildi ang katong nagkuan niya, nagpanggap nga katong sorcerer nga nagpanggap niya nga uncle, og dito nagkadayon sila sa prinsesa. Ari na punta sa elements of the story. So una dito is the characters. So the main character is si Aladdin, a poor lazy boy who become wealthy and powerful. Si Princess Badr, ang anak sa Sultan, beautiful and intelligent. Sorcerer niya, Genie of the Lamp, Genie of the Ring, Sultan. Then, ang city nga ni dire, kuwasa na ito is a city in China, a magical cave filled with treasures, Aladdin's palace. Ang theme ani niya is the corrupting influence of power, the importance of inner character, good versus evil, the power of wishes and desires. So symbolism ani niya is the lamp represents power, wish fulfillment, and the ability to change one's destiny. So ang cave, the cave symbolizes the unknown, temptation, and the hidden potential within oneself. The ring so represents a laser from a power and protection. So a moral ano niya or lesson is true worth comes from character, not wealth or power. So ang kamaayo sa tao or ang tinuod jud nga ikaw is dili gina siya makita sa kung unsay naa nimo unsa ka kadato. So be careful what you wish for. Power can be a double-edged sword. So, sometimes ang tao no kung na-judge sila kanang powerful na gid kay sila is murag nagkanamudako na ilang ulo. Na dapat be careful kita sa to kanang mga gipang wish. So good can triumph over evil through cleverness and courage. So that's all. Unta nasabtan na. Thank you.